How are you doing, guys? My name is Chris, and today we are going to be on the start of our first episode series kind of thing on this channel, where we will be doing $100 a week into set stocks. Well, we pick the stocks every week, so it doesn't really mean like set stocks. But we'll be doing $100 a week until we hit to like 10K and see how long it takes us. This is essentially like a journey, a log, or something for me that we can both learn from. So if I make a mistake, you don't have to go through the same process of making that mistake, and you just learn off of whatever mistake I did. So to start off this channel, to start off this series, we will be doing $100 this week. This is the week of, what is this? Let me see. Let me take a look. Sorry about that. So it is a week. Saturday was 20. Okay, so we're from week 27 to the 2nd. So it's essentially the start of August, and we'll be doing our first $100 deposit. Well, we already did it, and we already picked our stocks. Today is a Tuesday, and I did put in money over the weekend, so money was cleared. And then we picked two stocks that we put our money into. So we put our money into, let me pull them up for you. I can show up the fill logs for you as well. So let me put this one down. All right. So first one we did was AMD. So if you know what AMD is, it's going to be essentially like a chip maker for computers. So they make processors, CPUs, anything of that sort. They are a very good company. Technically right now, they should be one of the top companies making chips. Intel did go down this week, same week as I bought this. Only problem with buying AMD right now was that it was ridiculously high. I bought it at 70.95, which is probably the highest it's ever been. And I bought it because not only do I believe in them as a long-term company, but they also do have earnings coming up the same week that I bought them. So if they beat earnings, they will surpass whatever expectations we have of them. If they do, then the stock could easily move another maybe like $5-10. 10 is stretching it, but it could move another like $5-6 if it does beat earnings and surprises everybody. So yeah, so that's number one. We paid $70.95, so that means we still have about like $29 left, 29.5 or something like that. All right, so let me go on to the next one for you guys. Next one is going to be Snapchat. So we bought Snapchat at 22.57, which is at the time it's a pretty good price. Pretty good price for Snapchat. Snapchat has recently been trading at like 25, 26, 27, somewhere around there. And they did go down off of their last earnings, but that does not mean they're a bad company. They have really good potential for growth. They have really good potential to create more revenue. And they're barely at like the start of their stages. They can become very big if they figure out how to monetize everything, which looks like they are. And they are also taking after that TikTok stage, whereas like at the moment in time where we're at right now, there's like a US ban kind of thing that they're looking into, banning TikTok. And if TikTok does get banned, that's going to move most social media stocks up. And from what we know is Instagram is playing around with something like TikTok, and Snapchat is also testing something out like TikTok. So if either of these two decide to move forward with this, they're more likely going to shoot up in stock prices. So that's why we picked up Snap recently. At 22, I believe it's a fair price. I do want to pick up more maybe in like next week or 2 weeks. I do have separate accounts from these two, well, from this one. We do have separate accounts where we have like way more shares of everything that we have. So I have like a bunch of AMD shares, I have a bunch of Snapchat. I just believe that both of these are still very good and very early in their stage. So yeah, once again, this is not financial advice. I don't want anybody just to like, oh, they saw me buy it and then they go buy it. No, this is not financial advice. This is just me showing you guys what I did and how I'm doing it and how I go through the thought process of picking my stocks and picking the stocks that I buy. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We will be doing maybe a once a week kind of option chain thing to teach people how to play options and how they can help your account grow tremendously in a short period of time with short amount of money. So if you guys like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment, if you will, if you have any like debating comments on what I said, or if you feel like something I said wasn't right, or if you have more behind a certain stock, just let me know. I'm more than happy to read whatever you have to say. All right, guys, catch you in the next one.